morning everyone. Class 12 subject accountancy. Today we will start a new book, analysis of financial statement. Analysis of financial statements. Okay. So in this books are include different chapters. So chapter first, financial statement of company. Chapter first, financial statement of the company. Okay, chapter name is financial statement of the company. Clear? So in this chapter discuss this series one by one. Okay, so first topic is balance sheet. Clear? So balance sheet is the main part of financial statements, and balance sheet represent a true and fair concept. Okay, कि this balance sheet prepare according to proper rules and regulation. Clear? So balance sheets are classified in following manner. Balance sheet as per schedule 3rd part 1. Okay, so balance sheet as per schedule 3rd Company Act 2013. Clear? So prepare a balance sheet. So following items are included in this series. So first, equity and liabilities. First point, equity and liabilities. Okay, so equities and liabilities are considered sub-head points. Equities and liabilities are considered sub-head points one by one. Okay, so first point is shareholder fund. First point is shareholder fund. Okay, here shareholder funds include share capital, reserve and surplus, money received against share warrants. So shareholder fund again include a consist share capital, reserve and surplus. Okay, और third is money received against share warrant, Okay, clear? Shareholder fund classified in following three manner. Second, share application money pending allotment. Next, share application money and allotment pending. Clear? Just you know, first equity and liabilities and subcategory shareholder fund classified in following threes. So A, B and third is next non-current liabilities. Point number third. Again, first, second and third non-current liabilities. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. So non-current liabilities include long-term borrowings, deferred tax, other long-term liabilities. Long-term borrowings, deferred tax, long-term borrowings, deferred tax, other long-term liabilities. Okay, clear? Third point, non-current liabilities. Fourth, current liabilities. Short-term borrowings, trade payables. Point number 4, current liabilities. Clear? So it classify in following manner: short term borrowings, okay, trade payables. Clear? First is short term borrowings, second trade payables, next other current liabilities and short term provision. Other current liabilities, other current liabilities and short term provisions. Okay, short term provisions. Clear? Yes or no? First, shareholder fund, share application money and allotment money pending, non current liabilities, long term borrowings, deferred tax, other long term liabilities. Next, fourth, current liability. This include short term borrowings, trade payables, other current liabilities and short term provision. Okay. So this balance sheet as per schedule 3rd Company Act 2013. Okay. So liability side is complete. Second side is asset side. Assets, asset side. Okay. So asset sides are classified in two following manner: non-current assets and current assets. Non-current assets, first non-current assets. Non-current assets include fixed assets, जैसे plant, machinery, land, building, etc. So again, non-current assets are classified: fixed assets, A part, fixed assets, okay, further classified in following manner. So fixed assets include tangible assets, intangible assets, capital WIP, tangible assets, tangible assets, intangible assets, okay, capital WIP, work in progress. Clear? Next point, intangible assets under development. Intangible assets under development. Okay, clear? So non-current assets, first A, fixed assets, and fixed assets are further classified in subheads one by one. A point B, non-current investment, deferred tax assets. B is non-current assets. C, deferred tax liabilities. Okay, clear? D, long-term loan and advances and other non-current assets. Long-term loan. D is long-term loan and advances. Okay, clear? So non-current assets classify in A, B, C, D. Clear? Next, current assets. Current assets are classified current investment, inventories, trade receivable. Second point, current assets. Okay, current assets classify current investment, inventories, current inventories and current assets. First point, current investments. B, inventories. C, trade receivables. Okay, current investments, inventories, trade receivables, cash and cash equivalent, short term loans, cash and cash equivalent, cash and cash equivalents, and short term loan and advance. Short term loan and advance. So balance sheet are classified as per schedule 3rd of Company Act 2013. Okay, so first equity and liabilities, clear, and further classify shareholder fund classify share capital, reserve and surplus, and money received against share worth. Okay, second main point, share application money and allotment pending if any. Third, non-current liabilities. So non-current liability is long-term borrowings, deferred tax liabilities, other long-term liabilities. Clear? Fourth point, current liabilities, short-term borrowings, trade payables, other current liabilities, short-term provisions. Okay? So these items you are already discussed with this chapter one by one, and you are read in 11th class in financial statement, trading P&L and balance sheet. So same balance sheet as per schedule 3rd. Second, assets is classified non-current assets. Okay, non-current assets again fixed assets, non-current assets, deferred tax liability, and long-term loan and advances. Okay, and current assets classify current investments, inventories, trade pay receivables, cash and cash equivalents, short-term loans and advances. Okay, so write on